boys and girls. This is our third read of Seasons, and remember, it was written by Pat Cummings, and it's a informational text. It gives facts about the seasons. None of this is make believe. These are things that really happen during the seasons. And we're going to go ahead and read this page right here. It says, "There are 4 seasons. In winter, it is cold. It snows in some places. Then it gets warmer and the snow melts. It becomes spring." So here's a little picture for that. So here it was, winter, and it got warmer, became spring. In spring, plants begin to grow. So here we have this tree and it's beginning to grow because it's spring. Summer comes next. Okay, so it gets hot and now these little baby leaves turn big. It gets hot. Then in fall, the leaves turn colors. So you see them turning colors? It is cool. After fall, it's winter again. So after this, just pretend there was another tree and it looked just like this because it's just going to keep on. It's in a circular pattern and just keeps on going over and over and over again. And that's what we read about in our story this week. So we're just going to whip through the sight words and the story words for this story. Okay, this one says goes, green, new, grow, yellow, open, down, and fall, like the season fall. Okay, these are on our test on Friday. Here's our story words. See if you can read them before I do. Snow, leaves, leaves, school, school, blow, blow, day. And you know, the day, like the daytime, it's the time between sunrise and sunset. That's a day. Winter, winter. That's our cold season. Summer, summer. That's our hot season. This word says tall. If you keep on living and growing, one day you may be tall. Spring. That's after winter. Oh, that's our big word. Do you remember that one? Has 2 little words in it. Snow, man, snowman. Seeds, seeds. And I think we're at the beginning. All right, let's go ahead and read our story. And today you can read it with me, and then I'm going to ask you the questions. Okay, ready? You can read with me. I want you to track with your fingers underneath your words. Okay, if you don't practice, you don't, learn how to read. So you have to practice. Can't learn how to read if you don't practice. So this says Seasons by Pat Cummings. Spring. In the spring, fresh winds blow. We plant new seeds and green buds grow. Eggs hatch open. Little chicks sing. The sun is out. It must be spring. The grass gets wet. Splish, splash, splish. When we step, we hear it squish. Summer. Then summer is here, and it gets hot. We are not in school. We play a lot. Bugs buzz and hum. The plants grow tall. Next to them I look small. Summer goes fast. And when it ends, we will go back to school with all our friends. Look how they all hopped at the same time, except for those two. What season is it? Fall. In fall, the leaves are red, yellow, and brown. In a gust of wind, they will fall down. The leaves crunch as we jump and hop. It is such fun we cannot stop. Animals get nuts and pack them away. They will have lots to eat on a cold day. Winter. When it is winter, cold winds blow. It is fun to sled on the soft snow. When it is cold, some animals rest. This animal has a nap in a nest. A hat on a shelf gives us a plan. We will put the hat on a big snowman. They put the hat, they put the gloves, they put the scarf. Okay, see if you can read all these. Hope you said winter, spring, summer, fall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Which is best? We like them all. Okay, so here are our questions. So who is Pat Cummings? Is she the reader, the author, or the illustrator? I was the reader. And these aren't illustrations. These are pictures. So she had to be the author. She's the author. She was the author. What is this book mostly about? Is this mostly about holidays, winter, or how each season is fun in different ways? Yeah, it's about how each season is fun in different ways, or it's different. Each season is different. Okay, the first season we read about was it going to be spring, summer, or fall? When I turn the page, what's it going to be? Ta-da! The first season we read about was spring. Yeah, spring. After spring, we learned about, so after spring, what did we learn about? Did we learn about fall, winter, or summer? After spring is summer. So, which season's after summer? Okay, let's see. After summer, so there's spring, summer. What's after summer? Okay, what's after summer? Is it winter? Is it fall? Is it winter, fall, or spring? After summer is fall. So remember on here, we first read about spring, then we read about summer. All the leaves are really big in the summer. Then we read about fall. After summer's fall, all the leaves that used to be big and green now crumble up and turn different colors. Okay, and so the last season we read about was after fall, was it winter, spring, or summer? If you said winter, you are so smart. Winter. So in which season do the leaves change colors and the animals gather nuts and pack them away? Okay, is that fall, summer, or winter? When the leaves change colors, is that fall, summer, or winter? It was fall. It was fall. So at what season do the seeds grow and the eggs hatch? Do you remember that from the story? The seeds grow and the eggs hatch. It was spring. In spring, the eggs hatch and the seeds grow. She has some seeds right there in her hand. In which season do cool winds blow and some of the animals nap? Okay, so think about cool. Is that in fall, winter, or spring? Fall, winter, spring, when the cool winds blow and some of the animals nap. It was winter. It was winter. Here's the little animal napping, and you can obviously tell it's super cool or cold. So, plant parts from which new plants grow are called seeds, blossoms, or leaves. So the part of a plant where new plants grow is called a seed, right? They're called seeds. And what are the names of the 4 seasons? Can you remember? Any order. Here's one of them. Here's another one. There's another one. Excuse me. And another one. And they had them all on this page. Did you say the names of all 4 of these seasons? Winter, spring, summer, fall? Well, if you knew the answers to those questions, you're in luck. You're going to be ready for our test on Friday. All right, till next time. Toodaloo.